good morning, good afternoon, good evening to everyone. Welcome to the Anderpet channel. Today's topic is important for anyone who wants a successful website. Website speed optimization for SEO. Think about it. How long are you willing to wait for a website to load before you click away? In today's fast-paced world, users expect lightning speed. A slow website frustrates visitors and hurts your bottom line. But the good news is, optimizing your website speed can significantly improve your SEO and boost your revenue. In this video, we'll break down exactly how to do that. We'll cover key steps, technical aspects, and some practical tips you can implement right away. Why website speed is important for SEO. Imagine this. You've created amazing content, but potential customers click away because your website takes forever to load. Website speed is a major ranking factor for search engines like Google. Faster websites simply rank higher. This translates to more organic traffic, more leads, and ultimately, more sales. Studies show that a 1-second delay in page load time can decrease your conversion rate. Conversely, websites that meet Core Web Vitals recommendations see a significant decrease in bounce rates due to faster loading times. How slow website speed can impact your business. Beyond SEO, a slow website can negatively impact various aspects of your online presence. User experience. Frustrated visitors spend less time on your site and are less likely to return. Conversions and revenue. Slow loading times lead to missed sales and lost opportunities. Search engine optimization. Your website ranking suffers, making it harder for potential customers to find you. Steps to optimize your website speed. Here are some key steps to take to improve your website speed. Uncover technical and usability limitations. Use free tools like Google PageSpeed Insights, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and Site SEO Checker to diagnose speed issues. Google PageSpeed Insights checks how fast your website loads on phones and computers. It finds the biggest problems and tells you how to fix them. Google Search Console. This free tool analyzes how people find your site. It can help you find issues that slow down your site and hurt your search ranking. Google Analytics tracks how many people visit your website, which pages they look at, and how long they stay. Analyze this data to see how page load times affect user experience. Site SEO Checker analyzes how well your website performs in search engine results, including content and technical SEO issues. Image optimization. Large, uncompressed images are a big problem for slow loading times. Resize and optimize your images while keeping the quality high. Leverage browser caching. Ever notice how websites load faster after your first visit? That is browser caching at work. It stores website files on your device. Use Accelerated Mobile Pages Converter. Make a lightning-fast mobile version of your site with accelerated mobile pages. Minify code. Remove unnecessary characters from your website's code, making it smaller and faster to load. Reduce HTTP requests. Every element on your website, like images, CSS files, and JavaScript files, requires a separate HTTP request. Reduce the number of requests by combining files and minimizing unnecessary resources. Mobile optimization. Think about mobile users. Ensure your website loads quickly and is optimized for smaller screens. Advanced techniques. For those looking to take their website speed optimization to the next level, consider these advanced techniques. Content Delivery Network, CDN. A CDN distributes your website's content across a network of servers around the world, delivering it faster to users regardless of their location. Database optimization. A clean and optimized database can significantly improve website performance. Website speed optimization is an ongoing process. Regularly monitor your website speed and implement these techniques to ensure your website is running at peak performance. Ready to supercharge your website speed and boost your SEO? Subscribe to our channel for more tips to help your website thrive online. Thank you for watching.